What's up, guys? It's Pete back here, and welcome back to Asphalt 9. So, we're ready here for the next round of the Grand Prix, and we're gonna race today. Okay, so 2 hours 16 minutes are left, and I think it's time that we raced. Okay, so, anyways, let's see what the top time is. It's 37.1 currently, 37.194. Okay, so let's practice, and I hope that we'll get a good time here. Let's go. I hope today we get a good time because it's really necessary. Okay. We've been going down in the Grand Prix rankings for some time now. So I think that it's time to do something good. Do a good run. We need to do something about it. Okay, here we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. That barrel wasn't very good. (36), 137, 138, 139. Not very good. First one wasn't very good. This is the first practice run again, not the race runs. So no, let's miss out on that. Let's go. Next, another practice attempt. After this practice attempt, I think we're gonna go for the race attempt. Okay. Okay, all set. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so this was better. (136), 137. Okay, that's our best time up till now. 37.6. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, this is a sign. This is a sign. Let's go. Okay, so we got some credits here.
A few moments later.
Next, it's time for the first race attempt now. Let's race. Okay, so first attempt of a race. Let's go. This is our first race attempt. So let's go. I'm really tensed here, but I hope that we do it like the last practice round just now. So let's go. Let's try not to mess up this time. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's bad. This is not gonna be a good run at all. 36, 137, 138, 38.1. Okay, 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 okay. So that's 7th, but that is not a very good time. That's not a very good time. Okay. Let me just practice once more. Let me practice once more and then we'll use the next race attempt. Let me practice once more. Okay, so we gotta beat 38, 112. We could have done better actually. We could have actually done better because as you saw, the practice attempt was way better than that. We could have done better. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's use these very carefully now. Okay. Okay. All right. One 138. Okay, not very good. Not very good. Why can't we get that practice run time we just got now? You know, 37 point something will really put us on a very good place. Okay. So next race attempt. And let's go. This is gonna be our next race attempt. I'm really tensed here. We messed up somewhat in the last race, so okay, gotta focus here and I won't talk. 3, 2, 1 and go. I think we've already messed it up a bit. Okay. 637, 138. Oh, come on, man. That was worse. That was worse. That was worse. This is getting tricky. This is actually getting very tricky. Okay, last 2 practice rounds left. Let's practice and then race. Let's go. Let's go. It's 2 more practice runs and after that our final race attempt. And I'll try not to waste any more tokens on extra runs, okay? Okay, doing good here so far. See, why doesn't these things happen on the race attempt, man? $36. Whoa! Come on! Why can't I get 37 points something like this on the race attempts, man? Why am I getting such good times on the practice and why am I trashing in the race? Come on! I need to get times like this in the race attempts, man. Come on! How is this fair? You know what? I'm racing. I don't care anymore. And I'll be using a 75 token attempt if I can't do it then. Why the hell am I thrashing myself so much in the races, man? I did so well in the practice ones. Okay, I've got to do something good here. I have to. I just have to. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. on, Shockwave. What the? That was supposed to be a Shockwave, dude. Oh man, we did. Oh god, I don't want to talk about this. Come on. Come on. I'm using a 75 token bounty. I don't care. I'm using a 75 token bounty. Like, come on, man. There's a limit. Okay, there's a limit to which I can tolerate. Come on, this is getting out of hand now. I'm doing so well. I did well actually. I did well in the qualifiers. Why the qualifiers? I mean the practice runs. Why the hell am I so trashy here? Anyways, let's go. Let's go. No, no, no. Oh. Why? I mean, just why, man? Just why? Just why, man? Seriously. You know what? I'm gonna risk it. Another attempt. I'm gonna risk it on another attempt. I think this is the second or third time in this Grand Prix I've used tokens on atoms. I didn't have so much trouble in the SC18. I didn't have so much trouble in the SC18, not at all. Like, I don't know why, but I'm not able to get a good time. I don't know why. I did get good on the practice, but I don't know why in the race they're not letting me get a good time. I don't know. Okay, this is good. This was worth it. This was worth it. Oh, and I'm second. I'm second, man. I'm second. Okay. I would say using 150 tokens here was worth it. Okay, I have to say it is worth it here. So I'm overall 5th, and that's a big boost, I would say. So, yeah. I think this was worth it. I think the 150 tokens there were worth it. I'm not actually worried about. I decided to spend it because I think from the the multiplayer rewards and the club rewards we can get some more tokens. Okay, so that's why I used up the tokens, and obviously there's the daily bonus in the daily goal bonus. All Astral players do that. So yeah. So as you guys saw, this was. I hope you guys find the video useful. So this was the 5th round of the Grand Prix. Yeah, it's the 5th round of the Grand Prix, and I am second currently with this time, overall 5th. And I think that, guys, you will find this video useful. So I think that's it for this one. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And I'll see you guys in the next one. So guys, until then, everyone stay safe, and as always, keep speeding. Okay guys, see ya.